Hey guys, it's Gary with RPM Diecast, and today we're doing the Forza Motorsport set from Redline Club. That's where this came from. These are the cars in it. Little interesting thing about this set is they took two Forza sets and mix and matched cars, which I didn't know. I was looking up info for this, for the video, and yeah, they took this set and they took two cars from this set and three cars from this set and put them together in this, what everyone likes to call the chocolate box, because you can pull them out and put them back in, so they're not carded, obviously, because they're in this box. But yeah, let's go unbox this and then we'll come back after. that was the Hot Wheels Premium Forza Motorsports box set from Redline Club. Now, one thing I thought was really cool is the Morris Mini in this set, the green one. It has this tab on the bottom. It's got this tab right here, and when you pull it down, it takes the top off, which I think is pretty cool. This is like a customizer's wet dream right here, because they're able to pop it off, strip it. Obviously got to take the windows out, but you got to strip it, be able to put it back on, and it just literally goes like this. It clips down, then it's back in, which I thought was really, really, really cool. Yeah, this is where I bought it, on Redline Club. Yeah, they call it the chocolate box. It's kind of like a chocolates where you can just pull them out and put them back in without it being carded, which I mentioned earlier. But yeah, so thank you so much for watching. Subscribe and keep on collecting.